Venom, nature's deadly medicine, characterized dysfunctional society by abnormal or unhealthy interpersonal behavior or interaction, by negative dysfunctional relationships, because we see our society grow more and more totally dysfunctional as a family, taken over by non-Christian beliefs. Imagine being bitten by a snake in the Australian outback. Within minutes, your blood stops clotting properly. Your nervous system begins to shut down. You're experiencing the terrifying power of venom, one of nature's most sophisticated weapons. But here's the twist that'll blow your mind. That same deadly cocktail killing you might one day save your life in a hospital. Welcome to the bizarre world of venom evolution and its revolutionary medical applications. Venom has evolved independently at least 100 times across the animal kingdom. Think about that for a moment. From snakes to spiders, scorpions to jellyfish, cone snails to platypuses, completely unrelated creatures developed remarkably similar toxic weapons. This phenomenon is called convergent evolution, where different species arrive at similar solutions to survive. Let's start with why venom exists at all. Venom serves two primary purposes in nature: hunting and defense. For a small snake trying to catch fast-moving prey, venom is the ultimate equalizer. It's like having a chemical weapon that immobilizes your dinner before it escapes. For defensive purposes, venom warns predators that attacking comes with serious consequences. Here's where it gets fascinating. Venoms aren't simple poisons. They're incredibly complex cocktails containing dozens to hundreds of different compounds. Each component has a specific job. Some attack the nervous system, others destroy blood cells, while some break down tissue. It's like nature designed a multi-tool weapon system at the molecular level. Snake venom alone contains proteins called peptides that can number in the hundreds within a single species. These peptides are short chains of amino acids that interact with specific targets in the victim's body. Some block nerve signals, causing paralysis. Others prevent blood clotting or cause massive clotting. Still others trigger intense pain as a deterrent. Now, here's the mind-bending part about convergent evolution. Animals separated by hundreds of millions of years developed nearly identical venom components. Cone snails in the ocean produce toxins remarkably similar to those found in spider venom on land. Snakes in Australia independently evolved venom proteins similar to those in snakes from South America. They never shared ancestors with venom, yet arrived at the the same deadly solutions. Why does this happen? The answer lies in the limited number of vital systems in animal bodies. Whether you're a mouse or a human, you have a nervous system, a circulatory system, and cellular structures. Venomous animals evolved to target these universal vulnerabilities. It's like different hackers, independently discovering the same security flaw in computer systems. The evolution of venom glands themselves tells an incredible story. Scientists believe venom systems evolved from normal salivary glands. Imagine ordinary spit gradually becoming weaponized over millions of years. Some lizards show this transition beautifully. They have slightly toxic saliva that isn't quite venom yet, representing an evolutionary middle ground. Spiders took venom to extraordinary levels. With over 48,000 spider species, there are potentially millions of unique venom compounds waiting to be discovered. Each spider species fine-tuned its venom for specific prey. Some spider venoms work instantly on insects, but barely affect mammals. Others can kill a human in hours. Cone snails deserve special attention. These slow-moving marine snails hunt fish, which seems impossible given their lack of speed. Their solution: they evolved venom so potent and fast-acting that fish die almost instantly. A single cone snail species can produce up to 200 different venom peptides. That's 200 different molecular weapons in one tiny creature. Jellyfish and their relatives represent yet another independent venom evolution. Their stinging cells, called nematocysts, work like microscopic harpoons. When triggered, they fire barbed threads that inject venom in less than a millionth of a second. That's faster than a bullet leaves a gun. The box jellyfish venom is so powerful it can kill a human in minutes. Even mammals got in on the venom game, though rarely. The male platypus has venomous spurs on its hind legs. Slow lorises have venom glands in their elbows. These examples show that venom evolution can happen in any animal group given the right evolutionary pressure. Now, let's talk about the medical revolution hiding in these toxic cocktails. Remember those highly specific peptides that target exact body systems? Scientists realized these could become incredibly precise drugs. Traditional medicines often affect multiple body systems, causing side effects. Venom-derived drugs can target single receptors with laser-like precision. The first major success story came from Brazilian pit viper venom. Scientists studying this snake discovered compounds that affect blood pressure regulation. This research led to captopril, a blockbuster drug for treating high blood pressure and heart failure. Millions of people worldwide take this medication daily. A deadly snake venom became a life-saving heart medicine. Gila monster venom provided another breakthrough. This lizard's venom contains a peptide similar to a human hormone that regulates blood sugar. Researchers modified this peptide to create exenatide, a diabetes medication. The drug helps patients control blood sugar more effectively than many traditional treatments. A venomous lizard from the Arizona desert is now helping diabetics globally. Cohn's snail venom yielded ziconotide, a painkiller 1,000 times more powerful than morphine. Unlike opioids, it doesn't cause addiction or tolerance. It's used for severe chronic pain when other medications fail. This represents a completely new class of pain medication derived from ocean predators. Currently, over a dozen venom-derived drugs are approved for medical use. Hundreds more are in clinical trials. Scientists are exploring venom compounds for treating cancer, autoimmune diseases, chronic pain, and neurological disorders. Each venomous species represents a natural library of potential medicines. The pharmaceutical potential is staggering when you consider the numbers. With an estimated 200,000 venomous species on Earth, and each producing dozens to hundreds of unique compounds, we're looking at millions of potential drug candidates. We've barely scratched the surface. Less than 1% of known venom compounds have been thoroughly studied. Researchers now use advanced technology to analyze venoms faster than ever before. They can identify promising compounds, synthesize them in laboratories, and modify them for better effectiveness. It's like having nature provide the blueprints, then engineering improved versions. Here's a fun fact that'll surprise you. Bee venom is being studied for treating Lyme disease and multiple sclerosis. The same sting that causes painful swelling might help reduce inflammation in chronic diseases. Even common honeybees are contributing to medical science. Climate change and habitat destruction threaten many venomous species before we can study them. Every species that goes extinct takes its unique venom library with it. We might be losing potential cures for cancer or Alzheimer's disease without ever knowing they existed. The story of venom teaches us something profound about nature. The same evolutionary processes that created deadly weapons also provided us with molecular tools for healing. What seems dangerous and frightening often contains hidden benefits. Next time you see a spider or snake, remember you're looking at millions of years of evolutionary research and development. Those creatures carry potential medicines that might one day save your life or someone you love. The line between poison and cure is thinner than we ever imagined.